So I was outside wandering around the woods and I found something that we used to give Ariel that I think my cats might like. Ooh, spearmint leaves. Let's see what they do. Here's one for you. This one for you. Now Yuki loves catnip. Uta doesn't really care for it. I'm really curious to see what they think. Just as I thought, Yuki likes it. Uta doesn't care. Maybe if I rub it a little bit and get some of that kind of scent going. Oh, there we go. Oh yes, someone really likes it. Good girl. They'll do the same thing Ariel did. They'll lick it, they'll chew it, and they'll rub on it, and they'll get it all nice and slimy, and then I'll have to pick it up later. Wow, Muta likes it too. I didn't really think he would. Oh, it's good kitties. Looks like Muta's actually gonna eat it. Oh, quit clawing up my carpet. They'll probably get like some kind of crazy catnip buzz going on, and then they'll go crazy for an hour. Block, 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 block. Oh, it's a good girl. I think we're just already done with his. Oh, it's a good girl. Oh, we're so excited. Oh, we're so excited. Something we've never done before. We've never had this before. Oh, we love it. We love it. We love it. Oh, we're just done already. Yuki! Yuki! Oh yeah, you like that? Hmm? Yeah, that one's all gross and full of slime. Good girl. Yuki. Oh, it's a good kitty.